The following video will demonstrate the proper procedures used for changing the cutter and calibrating the Model 8000. It is very important to unplug the machine prior to performing any of the procedures. Failure to do so could lead to injury. Begin by removing the cutter guard shield. Use the supplied wrenches to loosen the cutter nut. One wrench fits over the flap milled into the cutter shaft. The other goes over the nut. Remove the old cutter and replace with the new one. Attach and tighten the shaft nut. At this point, you should replace the cutter shield. We have left it off while making the presentation because it would obscure the filming. Do not plug the machine in yet. To begin calibrating the machine, load two identical jet key blanks into the vices. Make sure they are both level and sitting in the bottom of the vices. Use the shoulder guide to line them up properly. Slide the carriage to the right. Pull out the carriage knob and allow the carriage to rise to the cutting position. The cutter is now about 3/8 of an inch away from the key blank. In order to calibrate the machine, we need to lower the carriage so that the cutter contacts the key. To accomplish this manually, turn the deburring brush by hand counterclockwise until the key blank contacts the wheel. This could require several dozen turns. Loosen the locking thumb turn on the calibration guide carriage. Rotate the orange calibration collar 1 or 2 marks. Each mark represents just under 1/1000th of an inch. Continue to rotate the collar while turning the cutter shaft via the deburring brush. When the machine is properly adjusted, the cutter should just barely scratch the key blank. When done, tighten the thumb turn on the carriage guide. The machine needs to finish the cycle it is in to be ready for use. Plug the machine in and press the start button. You are now ready to duplicate keys with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02. It is suggested that you duplicate a key and check it with a micrometer.